You must know that the children are scared of ghosts to do the right things. But do you know how the elders are frightened? They are frightened by listening the ghost related stories. You must have heard this, and many of you must have believed that whoever kills the snake takes his picture in its mind, and in the next life, the snake finishes him. It is also believed that by sweeping or cleaning the house in the evening, Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, leaves the house. Keeping any footwear upside down causes a fight at home. It is considered to be very bad if someone's left eye is fluttering or someone sneezes while going out of the house. Have you ever wondered that these things really happen in someone's life? No, right? Even if something bad happens, then it's just a coincidence, nothing more than that. There is some reason behind everything you see. So let's talk about some such superstitions and its related beliefs in this video. It is believed that by throwing coin in any holy river like Ganga, Yamuna, etc. fulfills our wishes. If it is true, then I would be richer than Bill Gates today. In olden times, people used to say this because at that time their main source of drinking water were rivers. During those days, the coins were made up of copper, and whenever copper comes in contact with water, then all the bacteria present in the water like S. aureus, E. coli, etc. are destroyed. It made the water to be drinkable and there was no harm to our body, and hence acting as purifying agents. That is why the practice of throwing coins was made, so that people would stay healthy. Before the time of examination, our mother feeds curd and sugar for our good luck. But the exam goes in the same way according to the preparation you have done. That's the different case where some students prepare in just a single line. They are the exceptionals. If eating yogurt or sugar was so good, then the shepherds would be rich today. The tradition of eating yogurt started because it relieves the nervous system of our body and cools the mind. And the sugar acts as an energy intaker as it increases the calorie and hence gives us energy. This is the scientific reason behind this belief or superstition, the real meaning behind the good luck. As I previously said that whoever kills the snake takes his picture in its mind. Hey, which snake would like to change its DP by clicking up pics? The actual reason is that the head of the snake will be active even after 2 to 3 hours of killing it. So, even if someone moves around after killing the snake, then the snake can kill the victim. That is why, even after killing the snake, our dear Bear Grylls sir says to crush its head. Snakes do not take any pics. Another belief connected to the snake is that serving milk to snakes can bring out a great luck. But do you know that according to the science, the snakes do not drink milk at all? And by pressurizing, it may die as well. It is believed that hanging a lemon and 7 chilies in shop is considered to be auspicious, or it is also said that goddess Lakshmi's sister, who is completely opposite of her, hence also very inauspicious, goddess Alakshmi likes spicy and sour food items. So she comes and eats them and goes away. Do you really think is it true? The only scientific reason behind this belief is that lemons, citric acid and chilies folic acid as well as many more chemicals when mixed together, it makes a typical fragrance which make many kinds of insects to leave the surroundings. Hence, it's only for the insect prevention. Such a superstition that is quite popular is that if a black cat cuts the way, then we should not move further. The day gets worse. Reason was that in the olden times there was no road, nor any car. So the people generally had to pass through the forest by the bullock carts only. Lanterns were used in bullock carts due to the lack of lampposts, which resulted in the poor clarity of vision during the night time. And due to the little bit of reflection of light, the lion or any other wild animal's eyes were start glowing, and the buffaloes which are attached to the cart can understand and hence do not move forward. They used to think that this animal was none other than a black cat, but now no need to worry. As I previously said, it is believed that by sweeping or cleaning the house in the evening, goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, leaves the house. Actually, the main reason was that in olden days there was no source of electricity. Hence, lantern, candle, lamp, etc. were used. So, in the low light, there was a risk of sweeping out of some of the precious ornaments. Another belief connected to the light is that the ghosts would kill the ones who would shave during the evening time because they love fresh blood. As during that time, the risk of minor cuts was common because of low light, they created such a myth. It's also believed that the small babies should never be taken outside of the house during the eclipses. The myth was that the demon swallows the sun during the eclipse time. But the reality is that the sun kills many harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, etc. But during the eclipse time, the microorganisms become more active and can make anyone sick. This is the reason why the pregnant women are not allowed to step out of the house during the eclipse. After a funeral ceremony, it is always said to take a bath. If not, then ghosts roam around you, or you may start thinking something related to ghosts. This is only because the harmful decomposing bacteria may start to decompose your body, which may make you ill. There are many more superstitions like we should never sleep under a peepal tree during the night time, then we should not sleep facing the north, etc. So that's it for this video. I hope you got a lot of information about superstitions. Thank you.